Hey guys, it's me again, Irfan, and I'm going to be doing my laundry. I'm outside at 4 in the morning, helping my mom do laundry so that she gets better start in her morning. Alright, I want to do a little comparison because my mom always asks me to clean certain clothes with hot temperature, warm temperature, cold temperature, and I do not have the idea on why I need to do that. Why can't every single clothes just be the same temperature? So here we're gonna see why it's important, or maybe the effect of hot and cold water with our detergent that we use. So here we have one in hot water, okay? This one, we're gonna stir it and see how fast the detergent dissolves.
Okay.
Stir and stir and stir. Keep on stirring. I think that's pretty good. As you can see, there's barely any detergent left. Now we're gonna take a look at the cold water. Oh, this one's cold. Here we're gonna just stir it and hopefully the same time as the hot water and see if it dissolves as fast or slower. And I'd say not really. You can still see some sort of particles, okay, of detergent there, meaning it didn't dissolve fully. Now, how can this affect our washing machine or our wash cycles? One thing that helps is that when it dissolves faster, it actually increases the efficiency of washing your clothes. As it, dissolves faster, it mixes with the water, it mixes with your clothes as well. So it will be a more completed wash. Sometimes, if it's not hot enough or not warm enough for the detergent, it could cause the detergent to not be as strong as it should be, and then your clothes are left to be stinky, having all these white stains, and you don't want that. You don't want that. I don't want that either. Last time I had that happen, my mom was not happy. A disclaimer though, not all fabrics are the same, so you should look at the labels of your clothing to see, they need a hot, warm or cold wash, okay? Alright, hope you guys enjoy washing your clothes. I'm gonna go back inside.